long hair and lanky fellow. Stand where you're sitting. Teacher enter, no notice. Full insulting.
टेरेस पर बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है और क्या ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो है रोशनी अच्छी आ रही है सो मैंने ये सूट वूट आज इसीलिए पहना ताकि मैं एक अच्छा सा प्रेजेंटेशन दे सकूँ आप लोगों के सामने. वेल, हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ समीर मीना एंड आई एम योर टीचर एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू. आज टीचर्स डे है एंड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मिस भी कर रहा हूँ हमारे टीचर्स को, राजीव सर को, और भी 2-3 टीचर्स थे उनको, और आप सबको ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से सेलिब्रेशन किया था अमेरिकन में. देखिए वीडियो. और अगर आज भी आप होते तो हम डांस करते, कुछ खाते पीते, पार्टी करते, मज़ा आता, आप सबको पता है. बट ठीक है, जहाँ भी आप हो, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ, कीप लर्निंग. और बस देखिए, कुछ भी इटर्नल नहीं होता है, हर एक चीज़ ख़त्म होनी है. ये दौर भी ख़त्म हो ही जाएगा, राइट. और जल्दी आपको खुशखबरी मिलेगी कि अमेरिकन भी शुरू होने वाला है एंड आप सभी का वेलकम होगा बहुत अच्छे से. फिर से हम पढ़ेंगे, फिर से मस्ती करेंगे, फिर से डांस करेंगे रिंकिया के पापा पर, और मज़ा तो खैर अभी बाकी है आना, राइट. तो ये जो वीडियो है ये स्पेशली मैंने इसीलिए बनाई है ताकि मैं आपको बता सकूं कि जल्दी सब कुछ ठीक होने वाला है. और जो भी मैं वीडियोस बनाता हूँ, हर वीडियो में कोई ना कोई मैसेज होता है, कोई ना कोई न्यू वोकैबुलरीज मैं आपको सिखा ही देता हूँ. इस वीडियो में भी कुछ नया सीखेंगे एंड दैट इज़ अबाउट हाउस होल्ड वर्क्स, राइट. घर के काम कैसे होते हैं, झाड़ू लगाना, पोछा लगाना, रगड़ के कपड़े धुलना भैया, घिस घिस के बॉडी को रगड़ना, पूरा घर साफ करना, वगैरह वगैरह, ये सारी वोकैबुलरीज हम इस वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. तो अगर हो सके तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना और शेयर कर सको तो शेयर करना दोस्तों के साथ. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वांट इन दिस वीडियो. तो चलो भाई, आ जाओ, सीखते हैं कुछ नया.
Speak in English. This English coaching, not a local language.
Happy Teachers Day. So yes, the first word is sweep. Listen the pronunciation. Sweep. It means to remove the garbage or the dust from the floor. So yes, I have just swept your room. The second word is dust. So clean anything of your room with the help of cloth. Cloth. To clean something with the help of cloth, that is called dust. So yes, I have dusted my room. I have dusted my room. Third word is mop. Have you ever mopped your floor? So that activity is called mopping. So I don't like mopping at all. And next is wash the dishes. Dishes, it means the utensils which you have used to eat food. That is called dish actually. So I have washed the dishes. Next word is wash up. Wash up. What does it mean? To clean your hands, to clean your face, to clean your legs, to clean your mouth before eating food. That is called wash up. So go and wash up. Alright? So the next word is rub. Rub, 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 rub. This is called rub. So please rub the sweater gently. Rub the sweater gently. Rub the sweater gently. Gently is to mean politely. Next is soak. Sometimes people think that soak means it means to dry the clothes, but no. Soak means to put the clothes in the bucket, right? Before washing. So soak the clothes before you wash them, right? Remember this. Next is rinse. Rinse. Whenever you put your clothes in the bucket and then you just you rinse them with the help of your hands, so that activity is called rinse. So rinse the clothes after wash. Next is wring out. Wring out, to do this with the clothes so that the water comes out and so that the clothes get dried soon, right? So I have wrung out the clothes and your clothes will definitely dry very soon. Alright, so wash off, to remove the spots or stains from any cloth, right? So these stains will not wash out. Whatever you can do with the clothes you can, but these stains will not wash off. Means these stains will not remove from your shirt. Next is spring clean, to clean whole the room, even those things which you don't which you don't use or which you don't clean usually. Clean those also. So clean everything is called spring clean. I want to spring clean my house. You know, it is long time since I haven't cleaned anything in this house. All right. Next is wipe out, to clean the water or to clean the dust of something. That's called wipe out. I have split some tea over there, so can you just wipe it out, please? Next is make the bed. I don't even like making the bed because I don't arrange it. It is always made, you know. So I have made the bed. I have made the list. You can go and sleep. Next is scour. Scour means to clean something with the help of this activity. Right? So I scoured the vegetables clean. There is no problem now. All right. Next is broom. Broom. The one thing with the help of that you just sweep the floor. All right. That is called broom. And there are three more words. And these words Hindi you have to tell in the comment section. What does the mean of dustpan? What is the mean of feather duster? What does the mean of pail? All right, so thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and put the comment in the comment section if you like this video. Bye bye, take care, happy Teachers Day again.